You might say that 3-4-11 Heaven is entering a whole new league of professional products. We have been recently provided something that we think will help you get to the point. Today we'll be unboxing a Kingston Presenter Pro presentation remote provided to you by my college's administration. And what that says to anyone who's watching this video, if you are not on the hype train where a college's administration is supporting us, you gotta get on this bandwagon while you can. Go down, click that subscribe button, drop a like because we all know that you're gonna enjoy this video, and let's unbox this Kingston Presenter Pro green laser remote right now.
Yeah!
Safety first. There's 2 tabs on this box. We're only gonna go in from one side though, because we don't want to totally destroy this and us get yelled at. Just like that, we sliced it open. Bing, bang, boom, there we go, we're inside. What's inside the box? We'll find out if I can pull it open. Sorry, technical difficulty. Oh, you can't actually pull out the inside, you can just pull out the things that are in the inside. Here we go. So, a small nylon case to store your presenter remote. And just because I all know you're gonna like this sound, that's a nice zipper. But what goes inside this case? Well, that'd be your presenter remote. And if I can grab it, I will show it to you. This is much more difficult than I dropped it. That means I lost my job. Won't be able to feed my kids. Anyways, so finally got the remote out. Gonna grab the adapter that I dropped on the ground. This plugs into your computer through USB. You understand? Cool. But here's where the magic happens. For the low price of $45, link in the description, you too can own a presenter remote that'll make you truly professional. This Kingston remote features a green laser pointer, which is 10 times brighter than the average red laser pointer. Also, it has a range of 150 feet. That's half a football field, people. You could be sitting in the back of the classroom with your laser pointer, going away at your presentation in the comfort of a chair, watching all the students looking up Facebook on their computers while they're supposed to be paying attention to your class. If you're a professor and you don't have this, you gotta get one in the description below. But that isn't where this package keeps on giving. If you look inside, in a small compartment up top, Kingston is a real classy company and includes your first set of AAA batteries so you can start presenting right away without having to run to the gas station and pick up a pack of batteries. Unfortunately, the only other thing in this box is directions, and we all know, since college professors usually have doctorate degrees, they don't need those. I can only talk so much about this laser pointer without actually showing it to you. I mean, it's a green laser, it speaks for itself. So let's unbox these batteries here. Take the knife, slice it open, and then, just like you're breaking a nice tortilla, boom, batteries are out. To actually put the batteries in the remote, first you're not gonna drop the batteries because that would be unfortunate. There's a back panel, boom, slide it off. They go in like so, and hopefully I put these in the right way. Back panel, back on. And now, I introduce to you, on this table, not a green laser. Because why? I forgot that there's a power on and off button on the side of this. And you gotta make sure green means go and red means no. But now, without further ado, a green laser. Ooh, that's bright. Kids, don't point it in your eyes. We wouldn't want you to go blind. Now that you have your remote, you're gonna walk away by putting it first in your case, zipping it up, one more time for good measure, putting it in your backpack, and heading off to class. But once you're done class, I want you to come back here to our channel and check out some of our latest and greatest videos. And to make sure that you don't miss out on any of our future content, hit that ring-a-ding-ding, the notification bell, so you're here for every video. That's all for today, folks. Bird out.